Okay, so here I have a battery operated magnetic light bar, and I'm going to unbox it today. Let's see what we have inside the box. Whoa. All right, we have the light itself, and I think it looks like the magnet. So here is the light, and not the magnet. Here's the magnet piece. It has some tape on the back of it that you can mount it to the wall, and then you just attach the light onto it like this. Let's see if the light works. Okay, and then here comes the charging cable. It does not have a block included, and then we have the instructions. All right, so we're gonna charge it up and see how it looks, and then I'll show you how it looks mounted. Okay, so just FYI, it comes with 2 of these magnetic mounting pieces. They both have sticky tape on the back. It does not come with a remote control. I thought it did, but it doesn't look like it comes with a remote control. So just as an FYI, this is something that you would have to physically touch to activate. So we took some time to charge up the light. This is what it looks like on, and you can adjust the brightness. And then you can also adjust, so it can go, I think it has 3 color sets, it looks like, yeah. So you can also adjust the color. It does also have a button on the back where you could turn it off. If you don't want it to be turned on, it has a physical button that you could flip on and off. Not sure why. So there you go. That's what it looks like. And then I will show you where we're going to actually mount this in our bathroom. It does not have the best lighting in there, so I wanted to add another small light to help light it up. Okay, so this is what it looks like mounted and lit in this bathroom. I'm going to put another one on the other side of the towel rack, but this is our dark bathroom. So it could really use with extra lighting.